Okay, so I'm in Minnesota, right? And we're eating like Danish meatballs, which are they have some funky name for it in Danish, and we're eating them. Okay, well first of all, my aunt's like, yeah, I talked like 24/7 for 3 days. I'm like, how do you do that? 24/7 for 3 days? I'm like, it doesn't work.
7 to 3.
So then there's like the meatballs over here, and we ate our first share, and she's like, who wants more? And I'm like, oh, okay, so can you pass the meatballs? And my grandmother got so mad because I didn't say the right name for them. It's called like fricadella or something. And like, so I said, can you pass the meatballs? She like gave me like the dead like the dark eyes. I know. Just turned around and said, no, you gotta call them the right name or else you're not getting them. Like, and then so I'm like, what is it again? Then I asked, and then my uncle like is over here. Orange soda to go.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, look at your to-go shaky thingy for your mom.
Pause, right? Oh, not pause. But,